Welcome to Lynch Chevrolet of Mukwonago, where we have an incredible vehicle for sale that you won't want to miss. Introducing the 2016 GMC Yukon 1500 Denali in a sleek Onyx Black color. This vehicle is packed with amazing features that will enhance your driving experience. Let's dive into what this Yukon has to offer. First, let's talk about safety. With adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and forward collision warning, you can feel confident and secure on the road. The emergency brake assist will provide an extra layer of protection in case of any unexpected situations. Now, let's move on to convenience. The keyless entry and keyless ignition system make it a breeze to get in and start your vehicle. The Wi-Fi Hotspot ensures that you stay connected wherever you go, and the wireless phone charging feature keeps your devices powered up without the hassle of cords. When it comes to comfort, this Yukon has you covered. The cooled seats will keep you cool during those hot summer days, and the moonroof lets in the perfect amount of natural light. Plus, the entertainment system will keep your passengers entertained on long journeys. But that's not all. This Yukon also comes equipped with four-wheel drive, all-wheel drive, ensuring that you can tackle any terrain with ease. The blind spot monitor and rear view camera provide an extra set of eyes, making parking and changing lanes a breeze. And with the navigation system and satellite radio, you'll never get lost and always have access to your favorite tunes. This 2016 GMC Yukon 1500 Denali is located right here in Mukwonago, Wisconsin at Lynch Chevrolet. Don't miss out on this incredible vehicle. Visit our dealership today and take it for a test drive. You won't be disappointed.